What the? We needed a shield. Oh, you got two? Danny! Is the camera angle good? Is it good? I'm having too much fun with it. Not up in here! I'm done. I play Anna. All up, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Like a $10 microphone, man.
Yeah,
It's a headset.
Yeah, don't know. No Shut up! What the fuck? This disgusting. Excuse me! Oh, it doesn't. I think they fixed that a long time ago. Just send it to the moon? Oh, is that shock? Wait, I have a fake shock in my list. Oh. Thank you. Exaggerated streamer reaction is over. Check. Nope. Nice. What is so bad? Just like take the corner that allows you to, or take the space that allows you to do the most pressure as would take while taking as least damage as possible, something like that. Hey. Me, I'm a bunny. Me, I'm a bunny. Me, I'm a bunny. Oh! Me, I'm a bunny. Me, I'm a bunny. Me, I'm a bunny. Me, I'm a bunny. That's with my name on it. What? What are you doing? Umbre on 117. I should be adjusting it out. Hello there. They don't want to kill me.
Legendary.
Are they all close?
It's showtime.
Can you go?
Not even close.
You have no heal, by the way.
Yo, Go check out ML7. He has like one of the best streams out there. He's one of the best Overwatch content creators. He's very good at explaining very complex Overwatch concepts. He's actually the reason why I started watching Twitch. So definitely worth checking him out. So stay safe, happy gaming. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Peace out. Bye-bye.